This is the sway bar link, and those are the two nuts and bolts we'll be working with. As you can see, I had some difficulty with breaking it loose. So let me show you a trick how you can use 2 wrenches to break a stubborn bolt loose. Basically make them parallel, and using a 3rd wrench and holding everything in position carefully, apply the force counterclockwise. So it spins the wrenches counterclockwise, and the bolt should break loose. With that, we can get the bolt the rest of the way. The bolt might be a bit finicky, so here I'm using 2 wrenches to basically leverage it out, and eventually it breaks loose using a flathead screwdriver between the sway bar link and the bar. If you haven't worked with it recently, it might be quite stuck, so before wrenching, maybe give it a dab of PB Blaster or WD-40. You will most likely need to buy those 18mm wrenches because an adjustable one did not work.